Hey guys, so today just a short video. So today I'm gonna show you why you need to upgrade the electrical circuit when you upgrade any accessory in your car. So here I have connected a big battery, right, and I'm using negative side of my jumper lead, which is not very good one, right, and I have connected a battery load tester in here, and the load is gonna pass through this little wire, right, which is not rated for 100 amps, but I think just only 15, right? So I am gonna put 100 amps load on this wire, and you guys can going to see that what is going to happen to this wire if you do not upgrade the wiring system, or wiring if you're upgrading any accessory. Suppose you have upgraded the headlight bulbs but you did not upgrade the wires, right? So instead of 35 watts you went to 100 watts. So you definitely should upgrade the wires, right? So let's start it. I'm gonna press this button over here which will put the load on this wire or on the battery. This is the load tester, and you guys can see battery is fully charged, 12.4. So let's start it. So now load is on, and in few seconds would you look at that, it is smoking hot, right? So the shielding is burning, so I have stopped the switch. You can see these wires are red hot, but this wire is also melting down. So please do not try this at home. This is just for the educational purpose. So you can see how the wire has melted, right? So please, if you are doing any upgrade by yourself, upgrade the wiring harness with it, because over time the same thing will happen to the wiring system or to the wiring harness. Have a good one.